Hello pre-calculus. Here's my third video in a series on graphing logarithms. So we tried transformations, we tried plotting points, and our last option is going to be the calculator. So the reason I didn't mention this one in class too much is that it's not a level playing field. Depending on which calculator you have, some students have an advantage. So I've decided we're just going to take advantage of those that have the advantage, and if you do not have this feature, then you just talk to me, and I'm going to show you another way around it. There is a workaround, but we haven't covered it in the class yet, but I might just show you early. All right, so let's not waste any time. We're going to go straight to the calculator, so let me open that up. All right, we don't need quite that big of a window. We can do this. Here we go, guys. So we're going to y equals. I'm going to press a 2 because there is a number out in front. Now, your calculator only does log base 10, as you know, and it does natural log. But if you press math and then the up arrow, choice A is your great friend log base. So you can enter the base that you want as base 2. We can get our horizontal shift, left 1. We can get out of the parentheses for the vertical shift, down 3. And so you can look at the graph with zoom 6. There's your typical log shape. We can look at now for the table of values. That took us so much time, the other methods. All right, so let's see. This one's asking us for 4 points. I'm just going to go one at a time here. All right, 0, -3, plot it. 1, -1. 3, 1, stay patient, you'll find another one somewhere. 7, 3, and that's all that we're going to get on this window. Okay, so if you happen to watch any of the other videos, you know how painful it gets on step 2. So I'm going to press done. All right, now one other thing we gotta mention, we can look at this equation that says x plus 1. Whatever makes that 0 is the vertical asymptote, so that's -1. So we want to get close to -1 without going over. And I've learned from many failed attempts today that we have to extend it pretty far or it's not going to count. Now I've had some trouble today getting the stylus to match where I want it to go. So if you watched video number 2, you know it was rough. So I want to get close to the x equals -1. See, it's like not, okay, so there's that. All right. Slow and steady wins the race. All right. So I hit some points. That was lucky that I got that much that quickly. I'm just going to go for it and we'll see what happens. We're going to submit this answer. Oh man, I can't look. You guys tell me what it says. Ooh, I gotta stop and just appreciate the green check mark for a second. And that doesn't even criticize me, make fun of me, but you can see it really wants you right on that blue line, the dashed line there. But we got it right. We're gonna take it. Reach out to me if you guys need some help. We got transformations, we got rewriting it exponentially, and we got using the calculator. And now, and in case it didn't make sense the first time, if your calculator does not have log base, there is a way to do this. Reach out to me. I could make a video on that next. More videos. The last thing you want. Bye, everybody.